The magnetic North Pole, the direction our compasses point to, is moving faster than it has in the past. The shift is so drastic, scientists made an emergency update to the World Magnetic Model. That's the mathematical system that lays the foundations for navigation for everything from shipping to our smartphone maps. Melting ice sheets in the Arctic are causing the Earth to wobble differently on its axis, changing the location of magnetic north. Magnetic north is always susceptible to surges and flows in the swirl of liquid iron in the Earth's core. As those molten metals change, the external magnetic field is altered and the poles move. What's alarming is the North Pole's migration has sped up since the Industrial Revolution. It's now moving around 50 kilometers a year towards Russia. 50 years ago, it was moving about 11 kilometers a year. Freezing doesn't even begin to explain the conditions in Saskatchewan. It feels like minus 50 in parts of that province. Extreme cold warnings are in place for most of Saskatchewan, and wind chills won't let up until tomorrow afternoon. Today, Saskatoon recorded its coldest February, 6th ever, a biting minus 43. So bundle up if you're there and you go outside. It takes less than 10 minutes to get frostbite in those conditions.
It's a time of great climactic change, brought on by a slight shift of the Earth's axis that tilts the North Pole away from the sun. The polar caps expand, moving across North America and Northern Europe. Temperatures drop by as much as 20 degrees in the Northern Hemisphere. 300 to 400,000 years ago in Europe, the Ice Age elements forge a new breed of man. Homo neanderthalensis, the Neanderthal.
Where they lived, in Europe and Central Asia, these were the coldest places in human existence in those times. So they were adapting to that.
Their complexion has become lighter compared to their African ancestors, enhancing absorption of sunlight during the shorter northern days. Their hair is straight and thick, added protection from the cold. They have a muscular build, more fit for the rugged terrain.
They were strong and amazingly healthy. They were, in fact, an extraordinary population.
Along with their physical adaptations, Neanderthals find strength and safety in numbers. They live in tight-knit clans, dedicated to the care and protection of each other.